Hi, I'm Kim. I work on the production team here at Brooklinen, which means that I work directly with our vendors who create our products.
And I'm Ava. I work on the quality team here, focusing on all things product testing and product care.
So yeah, we're going to talk to you about how to care for your comforters. So at Brooklinen, we offer down alternative comforters, down comforters, and also weighted comforters. Our down alternative is made from RPET fibers, which is made from recycled water bottles, which are sourced from all over the country. And the way that we developed this was to make it feel very similar to our down comforters. So really when you want something that is hypoallergenic or vegan, you really get the quality that we have in our down, but you also have those added options.
So in terms of caring for your comforters, the care is pretty much the same across the board. We really don't recommend washing your comforters at home. This is for a couple of reasons, mainly because when they become wet, they become extremely heavy, especially for the weighted comforter. And that heaviness can really damage the baffle box construction, which are those inner walls that keep the comforter really lofty. So in terms of care, for smaller stains, spot cleaning is a great option. For larger stains, which do happen, dry cleaning is also an option. Just keeping in mind for down specifically that dry cleaning chemicals can actually really damage the natural oils that are present on the down feathers and clusters, which can damage the comforter overall. So suggestion is to keep dry cleaning to a minimum if possible, but always an option there for you if you need it. Another really important thing to remember with care is storing your comforters properly. So making sure that when you put them away for the season or just when you're swapping them out, nothing is on top of them to compress them. That can also damage the inner chambers, and also that they're in a storage bag so that nothing stains them or nothing gets on them. The last most important thing about maintaining the lifespan of your comforter is regular fluffing. So I would say every time you change your duvet cover, or once a week, once every couple of weeks, just grab like this and tug to make sure you're redistributing the fill so that nothing gets clumpy. These are award-winning comforters. GQ, wire cutter,
Quick digest,
self. So you want to make sure they're really taken care of and treat them like the award winners they are.
and our duvet covers are a perfect protector for these comforters. So on all of our duvet covers, we offer ties in each corner so that they can loop directly into these little loops on the end of our comforters, so that your comforter stays in place and then also your duvet stays in place. It also protects it when you're using it.
So that's how to care for your comforters. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to Brooklinen for more care tips and see you later. Bye.